Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. A big thank you to every one of you who subscribed to this channel even before I uploaded a single video. That means so much to me. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. My name is Esther Anagu, and I know a lot of you already know me on LinkedIn. You've seen the resources, the tips and the encouragement I share there, and this channel only takes it a step further. I wanted a space where we can be more conversational and interactive. Here, I'll share videos that guide beginners on where to start, the resources to use, and the skills they can focus on. I'll only also share practical projects that they can work on, not just theoretical, but real projects that they can showcase to the world. So if you are serious about growing in data, building confidence, and enjoying the journey, here is the right place. So don't just follow, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on anything. So thank you very much once again for everyone that started with me from day one. I sincerely appreciate it, and I strongly believe that you're going to get even more valuable resources, more valuable tips, and I can't wait to share this journey with you. Thank you.